So all the halachot about the dairy stuff, does that apply? Does that also apply to like hard cheeses that you have to wait 6 hours between eating? Like, you know what I mean?
Yes, no, but okay. So just to put everything in perspective. So today we're talking about liquids, transferring the taste through the liquid. So what you're talking about, the cheese, of course, cheese is dairy, right? But it would depend. For example, if you put this cheese, right, on a clean, the cheese is cold. Let's say simplify. The cold cheese you put on what is it on a clean meat plate, right? So there's no problem. Of course, you have to clean the plate, but there is no transfer of the taste.
Okay,
Yeah.
but okay. So let's say it's like hot. Like let's say it's hot. Like whatever. For like hot cheese. I don't know. Like,
No, yeah. No, hot cheese is, of course, it's a good example. If you melted cheese, right? You did whatever you did, like a piece of toast, right? And you melted cheese on top of it, and now you put this cheese into meat plate. That's the problem. That's the.
does
Go ahead.
does the halachah change at all for like cheese that you wait like 1 hour between eating it and then you have meat? And then you know what I mean? Like there's like hard cheese and there's like the
Here there's no difference. This is dairy and dairy. That does not make any difference.
Okay.
So it's a hot. It's hot. Hot is hot. Hot.
Okay.
It could be milk or cheese. It does not make any difference.